Okay, so I wanted to make this quick video. I know I didn't make like an intro to this whole vlog. My weekend has been absolutely crazy. Yesterday I went to go get my lashes done by my bitch, and I went to go get a wax, and I hadn't got one in so long, and honey, it was hurting. Today I'm about to go tour these lofts, so I'm gonna record that for you guys so you guys can see. They're really nice, and I'm gonna give you the price point after they give it to me. The lofts are gonna be 2 bedrooms, and there's also gonna be 1 bedroom, but the 1 bedrooms are not lofts. They're just like a one level. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, honey, and yeah. I was not feeling those lofts at all. Like, I didn't like all the wood that was in there, like the floors mostly. And I didn't like how the loft area for the second bedroom, like it just didn't have an open area for windows. Like the second floor was like kind of masked off because of the closet space, and there was no really like sunlight coming through. I didn't really like that. Everything in there just seemed really small. Like I was expecting it to be way bigger, but I guess not. I'm gonna probably look at some more lofts because I really do like the loft look, but just not like how that one was set up. The first bedroom I saw was around the first two bedrooms I saw was around, well, yeah, first bedroom I saw was around like 1,300, and the second bedroom was like second bedroom that had like the two bedrooms was going around for, I think, I want to say 15. They said that they built that building in the 1800s and they had renovated it last year, but I just was not feeling the look, honey. I need something more, I don't know, like it was industrial, the aesthetic was cool, but it just wasn't giving me like finish.